Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be naming fractions on number lines. Fraction number lines help us see fractions as numbers that come between whole numbers. Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Number lines help us compare fractions, order fractions by size, find equivalent fractions, and see fractions to help us solve word problems. Now we have this number line that goes up to 2 in fourths, and we're going to show you what piece of granola bar goes on top and labeling it on the bottom. Starting with 0 fourths, there are no granola bars. 0. Now, 1 fourth has 1 piece. Now, we have 2 fourths, which is 2 pieces, 2 fourths. That could be 2 fourths, that's equal to 1/2 though. So, we're going to put 1/2. Next is 3 fourths. As you can see, 2 fourths was equal to 1/2. So you could put 1/2 and then 1 more fourth, because if you put it here or here, it'd be the same. But we're going to just put 3 fourths. Now is 4 fourths. 4 fourths equals 1 whole granola bar. See? Bigger than all of them.
Okay, so you'll notice your denominator 4 hasn't changed in any of these numbers because it's still broken into 4 pieces. So we had 1 out of 4.
You can see that it starts inclining. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to put 5 fourths. You could also put 1 and 1/4 because this is already a whole. See, this right here is 5 fourths, or 1 and then 1/4. Now we have 6 fourths. This is 1/2, equivalent to that. This is 7 fourths. Keeps getting bigger.
Let's talk about the spaces between here. So we have 1 fourth, 2 fourth, 3 fourth, and 4 fourths. So we're not counting lines. We're looking at the spaces that there are between each number. We also remember that the top of our fraction is called the numerator. Numerator.
See, numerator's getting bigger. Numerator north, denominator down.
And we have the denominator hasn't changed. We still have 4 as our denominator. So let's see if we can figure out what comes next after 6 fourths. Let's see if anybody guessed that it was 7 fourths. It's a lot of granola bar there. Okay, so we have 7 pieces out of 4. Okay, and let's cut them apart so we have 7 pieces out of 4 so they can see 7.
Okay. So right now, this is 1 whole, and then there's 3 fourths here. 3 fourths plus 4 fourths.
Which got 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4 is 7.
Okay, so let's cut them into 7 fourths so the kids can see them. We don't have to open those, I don't think. Just leave them closed. Because I don't. There we go. So that's 4 fourths on top. Yep.
See, 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This was a whole 1, 2, 3, 4 fourths, and this was 3 fourths. 1, 2, 3 fourths.
Okay, and let's see if we can think about 2. So we have 2 whole granola bars, and what would that be in a fraction?
1, 2 whole.
2 whole would be what to finish our fraction number line? So if I have
8
0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths,
8
8
and
fourths
8
because
fourths.
4 plus 4 equals 8. So it's 4 is half of 8.
Okay, very good. So this is our fraction number line broken into fourths. So 0 fourth, 1 fourth,
And as
2
you guys
fourth,
can
3
see-
fourth, 4 fourth, 5 fourth, 6 fourth, 7 fourth, and then 8 fourth, which is also 2 wholes.
As you guys can see, they get bigger each time. Bigger, 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 bigger.
And then we have our 1 whole here, right there. So we have 0, 1, 2. Those are our whole numbers, and here are the fractions that go in between them.
I hope you guys liked our video on naming fractions on number lines. Thanks for watching.